Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's see how to make mint tea. Fresh mint tea, very easy to make, and it's useful, healthy in many ways. I'm lucky to have mint, organic mint grown in my backyard. So I'm going to pluck few mint sprigs from here, clean it very nicely, and then pluck the leaves. Some people use tender stem also in the tea, but I'm going to replant this, so I'm using the leaves. So about 10 to 12 mint leaves and 2 glasses of water. I'm going to boil the water very nicely. I always store water in the healthy way, little bit try to get healthy. So now to this we are going to add mint, and I try to chop it with my hands because I once attended a yoga class and they told us, like, try to chop herbs with your hand. I'm just trying to follow it sometimes, not all the time. So if you want extra flavor, you can add this chopped mint also to your cup, where we are going to pour this hot water. So this, you can adjust the recipe as per what you like. So I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves. Some people prefer to use a sweetener. I don't prefer sweetener for this. So now the water is boiling very nicely. I can smell the mint. It really feels fresh even after smelling the tea. Pour the hot water, and the mint has infused very nicely. If you're not adding mint leaves to the boiling water, then let this sit for about 1 to 2 minutes so that all the mint flavor is in the water. And I like to chew on the mint leaves, but if you don't like mint leaves, you can also strain it and drink it as a plain tea. My God, it's so good. It really feels so calming. Now, my husband doesn't like the leaves, so for him, I strain the tea and take out all the leaves and I put it in my cup. So, enjoy this wonderful, calming mint tea.